Hey, Carol, professional IKEA hacker, here making a video for you tonight. I am working on my entry into the Design Offsite Festival. It's been happening for the last 10 years or so. So it's the sort of the balance to the interior design show. The interior design show is a big commercial show. That's where you see sort of established acts, that's what we can expect. Anything that's going to be in the prototype section, has a reasonable chance of succeeding commercially. Whereas if you want to see the sort of nitty gritty, the indie design, up and coming, a lot of up and coming designs, lots of established people that have sort of want to have like a free range to do whatever they want, participate in that show. So it's good to do both things. I am working on the one that will be for the Design Offsite Festival. And it's going to be a section. It's going to be an IKEA hack as well. I've done IKEA hacks for the last 2 years. This one is going to be no different. It's going to be a little more artistic. It's going to be more decorative. You'll see it. But you know what? I am making a video because I want to ask a question. I was excited because last year, or was it 2 years ago, IKEA launched DELAKTIG. So if you don't know what DELAKTIG is, I made another video. DELAKTIG is the officially sanctioned IKEA hack. It was a collaboration between Tom Dixon and IKEA and his students. They all came together, they were brainstorming, and they created sort of officially sanctioned IKEA hack. So it was called DELAKTIG, Swedish to participate. And it was a sofa, a modular system. It was quality piece, lots and lots of brainstorming. This was supposed to be the heirloom piece. This was supposed to be hackable. It's the hack for the masses, theoretically. So here I am excited, thinking, that's what I'll do. That's what I will do. Italian laminate. This is what I will do. I'm going to get this DELAKTIG. I'm going to get the club chair, and I'm going to do something with it. So basically, almost every time at IKEA, almost every single day, I go in there and I type in DELAKTIG, and a big X comes up because they don't have it in the store. Now, if you know anything about hacking, it's part of the natural, organic hacking process is going to IKEA and seeing what is it about the specific items that you're encountering, you're experiencing. You're sitting down, you're running the legs, or you're looking at the storage. Yeah, this will fit in my space. Just if I take this off, or there's a pretty piece I want to paint and do because it comes in as a raw wood with no finish. So how can I take this in and make it my own? So that's the sort of the natural organic process. So here I am at IKEA every day looking for the DELAKTIG, walking around. IKEA does their own hacks actually now. They do, at least at IKEA Etobicoke. I blogged about it. I even Instagrammed. So if you're curious, you can check those out. Google Kirill Koznik, IKEA hacker. No DELAKTIG. I can't go in and I can't experience it. I want to sit down, lounge, experience it. What can I do? How can I contribute? How can I make it IKEA, Tom Dixon, and me, whether it's you or me. I go online, at home, no reviews, 0 reviews. Nobody's reviewing this product. Billy's section boxes have a lot of reviews. You know why? Because those are very popular items. That's peak furnishings right there for you. I hope to speak at the festival as well. That's peak furnishings for you. So why don't I hack things like DELAKTIG? Well, because I guess they're not popular. People are not enjoying them. It's it was I think it was a great exercise. I'm sure it was very well designed and very well made. And you know what? Do I want to go online and buy it online and have it shipped to me and only then to discover that I don't like it? Everything's what else is available online these days? A giant ball of yarn that I can use giant sticks to make a giant scarf for my dog or my cat. That's maybe worth the risk buying. But you know what? A piece of furniture that you haven't really, you've seen it, but like you would expect to have it, to experience it if you want to be because that's the only reason why I would see yourself buying a DELAKTIG, because you want to hack it, you want to do something with it. You know, is it a pretty product? You know, it's not, you know, you may like it, somebody else may like it. It's, you know, it's a personal decision. And sometimes you like things for, not just for the pretty looks, but maybe they function well. Okay, so it's DELAKTIG. I haven't found any hacks, people doing it. Jules certainly has not done any DELAKTIG hacks, because I'm on the mailing list. I don't know. Come on, somebody hack DELAKTIG. Otherwise it's a dud. Anyways, ciao.